Welcome back, data explorers. In my previous video, we broke down Excel formulas to analyze income data. If you missed it, don't worry, you can check it out afterwards. Here's a quick peek. In that video, we transformed a long and messy dataset into actionable insights. Pretty cool, right? But what if I told you there's an even faster way to get those same insights without writing a single formula? Meet Excel's pivot tables, your new best friend for data analysis. Let's jump in. First, we need to insert a pivot table. Here's how. 1. Select your dataset. Make sure it includes headers like income and occupation. 2. Go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. 3. Choose where you want the pivot table. New worksheet is usually best and hit OK. And just like that, Excel sets the stage for us to summarize our data. No coding, no formulas, just drag and drop. Let's build some insights. Let's start by calculating the total income for each occupation, just like we did with SUMIF earlier. In the pivot table field list, drag occupation to the rows area. Drag income to the values area. Excel automatically calculates the total income for each occupation. See how quick that was? No formulas, no fuss, just results. Next, let's count how many people belong to each occupation, just like COUNTIF. And yes, this builds on what we did in the previous step. Drag income to the values area again. This time, click the drop-down in the values area, choose Value Field Settings, and select Count. Boom! You've got the count of people for each occupation in seconds. No manual scrolling, no formulas. Finally, let's calculate the average income for each occupation, just like we did with average if. Drag income to the values area one more time. Go to Value Field Settings and choose Average. And there you have it. Average incomes for every occupation calculated in the blink of an eye. With pivot tables, you can recreate all the insights from my previous video, totals, counts, averages, and more in just a few clicks. If you're curious about how formulas compare, don't forget to check out my earlier video linked below. Which method do you prefer? Formulas or pivot tables? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. And remember, when in doubt, just pivot. Thanks for watching.